Hello friends, in the last session we studied about VSEPR theory, that is valence bond theory. In this topic we will study MOT, that is molecular orbital theory. MOT was given by Hunt and Mulliken in 1932. The main ideas or postulates of this theory are: when two atomic orbitals are overlap, that is the hybridization, they are overlapped, they lose their identities and form new orbitals. That is, the previous identity are been lost and hence they result in a formation of a new compound. This can be understood with an example. If we are having sugar which is sweet to taste, and in one side we are having a salt which is not sweet or which is having a different stage. When we mix the sugar with salt, there is a combination of flavor of salt as well as sugar, which helps us to know that the original taste was different of the compounds, and after combining in a defined proportion, the taste of compound changes fully. In similar way, orbitals which are in their original states are having a different identity, and when they are combined or hybridized with other orbital, they change their identity. That is, a new identity is gained by that molecule. The second point is, molecular orbitals are the energy states of a molecule. What are molecular orbitals? They are energy states of a molecule in which the electrons of a molecule are filled, just as atomic orbitals are the energy states of an atom in which the electrons of the atoms are filled. So what they are trying to explain in this point, that the molecular orbital consists of energy, and hence electrons absorb the energy and change its original orbital, and hence jumps out to a higher level energy orbital. So they are being judged according to their energy states. Moving further, the third point before us is, in terms of probability, distribution of a molecular orbital gives the electron probability distribution around a group of nuclei, just as an atomic orbital gives the electron probability distribution along a single nucleus. The point tries us to tell that there is a probability of finding electron around the nucleus of atom. We all know electrons rotate around the nucleus of atom. Similarly, there is a probability of molecular orbitals electron which are having position on a nuclei, and hence they can be judged on that criteria of probability which we can judge in the electron consisting nucleus and a system. The next point before us is fourth point. Only those atomic orbitals combine to form molecular orbitals which have comparable energies and proper orientation. So what they had told, that orbitals also have some conditions to combine, and if all the conditions are satisfied and they are oriented, then they result in the formation of a new compound which has total a different identity. So in MOT, that is molecular orbital theory, we had studied its postulates. That the first postulate is that the molecule after combining never retains its original identity. In the second point, they have told us that the molecules combine in the energy state of the orbitals in that order. Third step gives us an idea. Third point gives us an idea regarding the probability of finding the electron around a nucleus. And the last point suggests us or tells us that the electron checks itself that whether it is possible to orient and satisfy all the criteria, which will result in the formation of a new bond which is having a different identity. I hope you are clear with today's session and clear with the topic of molecular orbital theory.
Thank you for watching. Visit us at needbook.in.